many discussions have been done, many thing has happened. बच्चों को पिटाई भी हो चुकी, धरना भी हो गया, बट स्टिल नो रिजल्ट इज़ देयर. चलो आज नहीं तो कब रिजल्ट तो आएगा, 100% आएगा. बट नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज़ every political leader, everybody who is actively participating, even I suggest the cockroach party, Janata Party leader, that their agenda should be now, see, first, India में doctors are very very less. There is need of the good doctors in India, right? And second thing, once a child is preparing for the NEET exams, it is quite an expensive things, emotionally, economically. बच्चों को रात को they have to give their मतलब in and out, day and night. That is different issue, but it should, the coaching centers also should be given the instructions that coaching should not be very expensive. Every child should be easily available. These institutes should be easily available for all category of students. I have seen that children, they clear, then what happens? Seats कितनी है? अगर आप एम्स में देखें तो just there is one seat and many candidates. They should increase the seats. They should make government medical institutes where the medical education is with minimum of expenditure, minimum possible, because two things are very important: education and health. Both are very expensive, right? Vice versa हो जाता है कि once a child spends so much on his medical studies, then he tries to earn also, because he has taken debt. So medical, instead of, I am not against the temples, I myself is a Hindu lady, but why to enforce so much once there is lot of money in the temples? This should be used for making the colleges, medical colleges and other educational institutes. Why it should not be used? Suppose government doesn't have, I agree, चलो जी मान लिया corrupt हो गए जी, दिवालिया हो गए, whatever it is, but there is lot of money in the temples, in gurdwaras. It should be used for making the government institutes, medical institutes, good studies, good infrastructure, so that it should look like a developing country. Those who are today fighting, they should keep this thing in their mind, and this is very important. Just fighting for this thing, लीक हो गया, चलो हो गया, अब वो तो हो गया, ये तो हिस्ट्री में कभी रिपीट नहीं होगा. But we should think further also. Thank you.